Alright, what's good, y'all? Back, got another one. I told y'all we had a little surprise for y'all. Today we're gonna be doing an unbox video. It's something that's been kind of hyped up a lot lately. So I'm gonna let y'all see what we got. Check that out. So I'm sure y'all can see that logo right there. But yeah, by the title of the video, we got a KYT TT course. I got it in fluoro, red fluoro, Taurus red fluoro. I almost didn't get it, man, because I thought it was fluorescent. I didn't read the title all the way. But yeah, man, we're finna open this thing up. Y'all see they've been getting a lot of hype on YouTube here lately, like the last couple of years. I think they just came to America, so a lot of people are getting them. They've been sold out everywhere. Like I got lucky and found my size on Speed Addicts. Shout out to them. They got it. They would have got it out to me quick, but I ordered it a couple days before the 4th of July, and then Hurricane came on like the 5th, so I'm a little late. Ordered the smoke visor because it comes with clear, so I got the smoke one too. But yeah. Oh, it even comes in the bag, man. You can't beat that. Come with a bag. I think the price tag on these like $154 or something like that. Packaged up real nice. There got a box right there. I want to get a second look at it. That's the one I got, the KYT TT course Taurus red fluoro. That's a pretty nice bag. Really nice. It's padded inside. Let's see that shit. Like I say, man, when I get it, y'all gonna get it. It's my first time seeing it right here, so. Real nice gloss on the paint. Oh yeah. Man, that look way more aggressive than I thought it. I like that. I like that a lot. Cause I got right now I got an HJC CS R3, just solid black. I ain't getting no graphics or nothing. But this thing, this is a big step up. And like I said, $154, you get the graphics, the high gloss paint. Nice buckle on there. Look like real high quality helmet. Oh yeah. Got the vents. I don't know if y'all can see that. Vents. Oh yeah. Lock at each little. Wonder if there's real carbon fiber in there. Y'all see that? Look like it might be. But yeah, you already know I gotta pop that visor off. Put the dark one on there. Oh, so you pull it down like that. Just... I was struggling with this thing a little bit. Let me see if I can get it off. You gotta move it a little bit, gotta play with it a little bit to get it Y'all can see too, it come with a pin lock visor. For the price range, man, you can't beat this, because I think I paid like 115 for the HJC, which is just a little basic, something to get me started when I picked up the bike. But this is a lot better, not better quality, but you get more bang for the buck if you go with this one. It's the clear one. Got the dark smoke or the black visor, whatever you want to call it. Pin lock. Let's see if we can pop this on there. You kind of gotta find that sweet spot on putting the visor in and out. This ain't a comparison video, but I will say the HJC, man, I can swap it pretty. See, I missed it again. What's going on? Because I can't get this visor to snap back on for nothing. It can't be that hard. Alright, y'all, I paused it real quick. Y'all can see I got the visor on. I had to call for help. I had to get my wife in there because sometimes I get too excited. Can't slow down and think and concentrate on what I'm trying to do. But yeah, she can't. I put the tape on there because I was scared I was going to scratch it, man, because I kept missing with the visor. But you got to kind of put it in at an angle and push it down. Then it just clips right into place. But I got it now, as you can see. Get that tape off of there, it look crazy. I'm trying to make sure I don't mess it up, man. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I had to put the tape on there. Ain't no one tape, baby. But yeah, man, look at that spoiler. Let me see. Look at that spoiler. Y'all see that? But yeah, man, this thing looks sporty. Yeah, I'm gonna try it on my head and let y'all know what I think about it, man. But eye test, I love it. Yeah, I got the vent right here, vent on the top right here, forehead. Showed y'all those vents. Got the little grills for the air. That looks sporty right there. I like that. Nice touch. Yeah, I got a large, man. But yeah, I like that the visor kind of locks in each position. That way if I want to kind of crack it a little bit. But yeah, I got the breath deflector, come with that. Came with the chin curtain, which on that HJC CSR3, I had to buy this separate. And I had to buy the chin curtain separate, which they're not a big deal, but I mean, this one, you pay $150, 50 more bucks, it come with it. But yeah, I'm finna try it on and let y'all know what I think about the fit. Cause I got the same size as my other helmet too, so we're gonna see how it fit. I zoomed out a little bit too, y'all. Hopefully that's a little better. I kind of screwed up and recorded the whole video with it right up on it. But hopefully that give y'all a little better angle right there. Well, y'all can at least see the whole thing. But yeah, that's the visor on there. Oh, and it locks. Like when you shut it, it actually latches too, but you can feel it on that last little piece. Got the clear one right there. I might swap back and forth, we'll see. You better tape your boy had to use before I started screaming for my wife like a little punk. But yeah, it came with some KYT stickers. And the silver on there got like a little, I guess like a little flake. Stuck to the tape. KYT. But this is cool too, man. It came with a carrying bag, a little case for it. Other helmet didn't have this, so nice little touch right there. But yeah, man, I'm finna put this thing on. Then I might, I'm gonna take it out to the shed and put it up next to the bike and see how good it match. Should match pretty good. Oh yeah. Milwaukee, cut the check. Y'all can see, we out here in the shed. It's hot. But yeah, man, it look pretty good. Fit the way it's supposed to. Like I said, I ordered the same size as my HJC, so which is a large. But man, yeah, I'm in love with this helmet, man. Wifey say she like it, my kids like it. Oh yeah. But now, man, now we gotta see if it matched the bike. So let's see what it do. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna flip you all around. All right, y'all, we got the bike right here. Looking good as usual. Y'all see the carbon on there? Yes, sir. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can sit this bad boy again. Don't fall, don't fall. Red a little different, but I don't think you're gonna be able to tell unless I tell you. You wish I just told y'all, but y'all see it. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think we did good with the helmet, man. I think we made a good choice. That might be the thumbnail for y'all right there. Let's see. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I said I was gonna keep it short and sweet. If y'all got any questions on the helmet, ask me down below. I mean, I don't know everything about it, but I can tell you what I know in my order and whatever, you know what I'm saying? But y'all leave some comments. Let me know what y'all think. Like the video, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one.